Hello, good day and welcome. I'll be answering JAMB 2012 Mathematics Past Question 4. 50 centimeter cube of the gas was collected over water at 10 degrees Celsius and 765 millimeters mercury. Calculate the volume of the gas at STP. That's standard temperature and pressure. If the saturated vapor pressure of water at 10 degrees Celsius is 5 millimeters mercury. Now it simply means that V1 is equals to 50 centimeter cube. Now C1 is equals to 10 degrees Celsius. Now converting this now to Kelvin, it will give us 10 plus 273 Kelvin, and that will give us 283 Kelvin. Then P1 is equals to, now look at the statement, say if the saturated vapor pressure of water at 10 degrees Celsius is 5, it simply means that P1 will be equals to what? 765 millimeter mercury minus 5, and that is equals to 760 millimeter mercury. Now V2 is what we are looking for. P2 at STP standard pressure is 760 millimeter mercury, and then standard temperature T2 is equals to 273 Kelvin. So with this now, applying the general gas equation, which is P1 V1 over T1 is equals to P2 V2 over T2. So from here we have that P1, which is 760 multiplied by V1, 50 all over T1, 283 is equals to P2, which is 760 multiplied by V2 all over T2, which is 273. From here we have that V2 is equals to 760 multiplied by 50 multiplied by 273 all over 760 multiplied by 283. Now, doing this will give us that V2 will be equals to 48.23 centimeter cube, and that is option D, 48.23 centimeter cube. Thank you, and you should subscribe to the channel for more videos and questions.